All right, today we're working on the Aspen. The driver's side brake light is out. So I'm going to show you all how to replace that. It's not too difficult, but it can be challenging if you don't know exactly where to undo everything at and how to take the housing out. So I'm going to show you all that real quick, and we'll check out the brake lights first. Alright, sorry for the noise, it's pretty windy today. So the first thing you're going to do is open the back hatch. Then there's a covered pin here and here, which is just like a plastic pop rivet type deal. We're going to have to pull both of them out, and then the housing itself we'll have to pull it out because it's got two prongs or plastic couplers that keep that in. Okay, best way I found to get these plastic pop rivets out is a pair of pliers. Just grab the outside of it, wiggle and pull. That's what they look like. There's gonna be one at the top, one down here at the bottom. Okay. And then grab the housing. It's going to be loose out here, but those two plastic couplers are in there, so you got to kind of pull straight out on it without breaking anything. Just like that. Those plastic couplers that fit in here. There and up there. But that's pretty much all there is to it. Brake light's here in the center. Just twist it. Pull it out. The bulb's burnt. Okay. Got a new LED bulb that we'll try out for it. I believe these were a 3157 bulb. We'll get this thing put back in and test it out. Should be brighter. I'm gonna go ahead and change the other side while I'm at it because it's got a conventional bulb in it as well. And to put this back in, you just line these two little couplers up. And then push straight in. You hear them click. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is put the rivets in. And all these do, you just push them in, and then push that in. Okay, they are in. Let's see how it looks. Okay, that's all there is to changing the brake lights or reverse lights or turn signals on a Aspen. Thanks. Bye.